how to organize fields, sections, and buttons to create a cleaner and more user-friendly record page in Salesforce. Here's what we'll cover today. What is a page layout, why customize page layouts, how to edit a page layout, rearranging fields and adding a section, and finally best practices. Alright, let's start by understanding what exactly a page layout is. A page layout in Salesforce controls how fields, sections, buttons, and related lists appear when viewing or editing a record. It determines what users can see and do on a record page. You can assign different layouts to different profiles or record types to customize the experience based on user roles. Now that we know what a page layout is, why would we want to customize it? Let's find out. Customizing layout helps simplify the user experience. You can show only important fields, group related fields into sections, hide irrelevant buttons or related lists. This makes your Salesforce out cleaner, faster, and easier to use. Awesome. Now let's walk you through how you can actually edit a page layout. Go to Setup, Object Manager, select your object and click on Page Layouts and pick a layout. Use drag and drop feature to move fields or sections. Add a new section if needed. Save your changes. Super simple and super powerful. Let's put that practice into a quick demo. So we'll go to Object Settings, click on Edit Object. Let's select Page Layouts and Project Layout. So for our demo purpose, let's add a new section just below information using drag and drop feature, and let me drag and drop this to field start date and end date, and let's restructure the information section as well and save it. Okay, that's it. Now let's go back to our record page. Just click on select, or select the start date as today's and end date is tomorrow. Here, there you go. We can see the project dates as a separate section where you can see start date and end date. Before we wrap up, here are important best practices to keep in mind. Use clear section names, keep layouts clean and minimal. Prioritize important fields at the top. Test your changes from a user's perspective. Document major layout customizations for future admins. And that's it. You now learn how to customize page layouts in Salesforce. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. See you next one.